Stop boiling eggs this way. If your eggs crack or are hard to peel, you're making a small mistake. Today, I will show you 3 simple tips to help your eggs turn out perfect every time you boil them. Method 1. First, bring a pot of water to a full boil. Don't rush. Wait until the water is at a vigorous boil, with plenty of bubbles. Meanwhile, take 3 eggs. This is the step many people skip. Use a needle or a sharp object. Gently poke a small hole at the rounded bottom of the egg. Just a small hole is enough, no need to poke deeply. Why do this? Inside the egg, there is a small air pocket. When boiling, the pressure increases, causing the egg to crack easily. Poking a small hole helps release the pressure. As a result, the egg won't crack and the egg white won't leak out. Very simple but surprisingly effective. When the water is boiling, reduce the heat to medium. Gently place the eggs into the pot. Boiling time 6 to 7 minutes if you like soft-boiled eggs, 9 to 10 minutes if you want the eggs fully cooked. Where are you watching this video from in the world? Leave a comment and let me know. Every greeting from you brings me great joy. After boiling, remove the eggs and immediately place them into cold water. Your feedback is also the motivation that helps me make better videos every day. This step helps stop the cooking process and makes peeling easier. When you start peeling the shell, you will notice the difference from the very first touch. No cracks. No egg white leaking out. The egg remains round, intact, and beautiful. The shell comes off in large pieces. Separating gently from the egg white. No sticking. No roughness. No loss of the outer layer of the egg. Just a gentle roll in your hand. A small change in the boiling method, but the result is completely different. Method 2. After completely peeling the eggs, cut in half lengthwise. Use a small, sharp, thin knife. Gently place the tip of the knife at the edge of the egg white. Start cutting in a zigzag pattern. In short, steady strokes as if drawing small flower petals. Don't press too hard. Just gently glide around the edge of the egg. When finished cutting, slowly separate the 2 halves. Place a layer of fresh green lettuce on the bottom. Arrange it gently so the leaves open naturally, creating a soft base like grass. Arrange it gently so the leaves open naturally, creating a soft base like grass. The vibrant red against the green background will instantly make the dish look fresher and more eye-catching. Gently place each egg half on top of the lettuce. Arrange them alternately so they look like blooming flowers on the plate. Adjust slightly for balance, so the yolk sits in the center, standing out like a golden flower pistil. Then, lightly sprinkle a little black pepper. Just a small amount, enough to add depth and a delicate aroma. Wish you success in making it and enjoy a truly delicious egg dish with your family. Or add a few drops of mayonnaise on top, soft and creamy, ivory white, like dewdrops resting on flower petals. Just a little care in the arrangement. The familiar boiled eggs suddenly look completely different. From simple to elegant. From ordinary to eye-catching. Harmonious colors. Neat composition. One look makes you want to enjoy it right away. And just like that, a simple dish takes on a professional, restaurant-style appearance. Method 3, now comes the most interesting dish. Preparation to do 3 eggs. A little salt. A little pepper. Chop green onions. Dice bell pepper. Gently hold the egg in your hand. Tap it firmly once against the rim of the bowl. Crack it open, the yolk and egg whites slide down, smooth and intact. Add a little finely grated cheese. The ivory white strands of cheese fall gently, evenly covering the surface of the eggs. Add 2 tablespoons of milk. Just 2 tablespoons, but they make a noticeable difference. Now whisk vigorously. Don't hesitate, whisk quickly and decisively to create as many air bubbles as possible. The more bubbles there are, the fluffier and more beautiful the final result will be. No need to strain it through a sieve. After whisking, place the bowl into the steamer. Cover the pot with the lid, but do not cover the surface of the bowl. Turn the heat to medium to slightly high. Steam for about 12 to 15 minutes, until the mixture sets and rises slightly. While waiting, the steam will cook it slowly, making the egg dish soft and fluffy inside. When you open the lid, the steam slowly fades and the surface of the egg gradually becomes clear. Tiny little holes appear all over the top, even and beautiful like a honeycomb. Smooth and lightly fluffy, you can see the difference at a glance. The cheese melts, weaving through every tiny airy hole. When you gently pull it apart, you will see soft, creamy strands of cheese blending into the fluffy egg. Fresh green onions are sprinkled on top. Red and yellow bell peppers are bright, eye-catching color. Each layer, each color blends together, both beautiful and fragrant. The dish has a light, fluffy texture, soft and smooth, rich and creamy but not greasy. Just looking at it is enough to make you want to try a bite right away. Today's video ends here. We've just seen how to boil eggs without cracking with super easy peeling. How to decorate beautiful egg flowers on a plate. And fluffy, cheesy honeycomb steamed eggs that are soft and rich. With just a few small tips, the familiar egg dish becomes much more creative and appealing. If you found this helpful, please press like and subscribe to Top Tips 247 so you won't miss the next great tips. And don't forget to comment which method do you like the most. See you in the next video.